You ever slide under your car on a cheap creeper and immediately regret buying it? The wheels don't roll, the frame flexes, and 10 minutes into the job, your back is killing you. I've seen people waste money on tools like that more times than I can count. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 creepers that actually make undercar work comfortable, durable, and worth your money so you don't make that mistake. If you like honest, hands-on automotive gear reviews, hit subscribe, check the description for the best current deals on all these creepers, and drop a comment with your vehicle or garage setup so I can help you choose the right one. Let's start with number 5, the M-Auto 40-inch folding creeper. This is one of those simple, practical designs that focuses on the basics. It uses a steel frame construction with a padded vinyl surface that runs the full length of the body. At about 40 inches long, it gives you enough room to stretch out comfortably while working underneath most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The padding is surprisingly thick for a budget-friendly creeper, and it includes a raised padded headrest that keeps your neck supported while you're looking up at suspension components or exhaust systems. The frame folds in the center, which means it stores easily in smaller garages or tool rooms. It also rides on multiple swivel casters designed to roll smoothly across typical garage floors, and the weight capacity is built to handle most DIY mechanics without flexing under pressure. In real-world use, this creeper is great for the weekend mechanic who wants something comfortable but doesn't want to spend a fortune. If you're doing oil changes, brake jobs, or checking underbody components in a home garage, it gets the job done without feeling flimsy. The folding feature also makes a big difference if space is tight, because you can tuck it away next to a toolbox or wall rack when you're done. Compared with the super cheap creepers out there that barely roll, this one feels much more stable and controlled when you're sliding under the car. The only small downside is that the casters are decent but not the smoothest on rough concrete floors. Now here's where things start stepping up. At number 4 is the ProLift T C2036DG Black and Green 300-pound mechanic creeper. This creeper is designed with a heavy-duty tubular steel frame that supports up to 300 pounds, which already tells you it's built for serious garage use. The body is covered with thick vinyl padding that runs the entire length, and the headrest section is raised and contoured to support your neck while you're working. The overall design measures around 36 inches long, which gives you good maneuverability while still providing full back support. It rides on 6 swivel casters that are positioned for balanced weight distribution, and the creeper's low-profile design allows it to slide under lower vehicles that many bulkier creepers can't reach. Out in the garage, this is the type of creeper that just feels solid. When you push yourself under the car, it rolls smoothly instead of fighting you. That might sound like a small detail, but if you've ever tried to reposition yourself under a car while holding a tool, you know how important that is. This one works especially well for people who regularly work on sedans, sports cars, or vehicles with lower ground clearance. The steel frame also adds a sense of durability you don't always get with budget creepers. The only real drawback is that it doesn't fold, so it takes up a little more storage space. Now let's move to something lighter and a bit more modern in design. Number 3 is the ProLift Mechanic Plastic Creeper. Instead of using a traditional steel frame and cushion design, this creeper uses a high-impact molded plastic body. That might sound less durable at first, but the construction is actually extremely strong while being lighter than most metal frame creepers. The body is ergonomically shaped to support your shoulders, back, and hips, and it includes a molded headrest that keeps your neck aligned while working underneath vehicles. It's also equipped with multiple swivel casters mounted directly into the plastic frame, which keeps the overall profile low to the ground and helps with stability. Here's what most people don't realize about plastic creepers like this. Because the body is one molded piece, there's no frame flex and no cushion sagging over time. It's also easier to clean, which is a huge advantage if you're dealing with oil, grease, or road grime. In everyday shop use, this creeper slides easily under vehicles and is incredibly lightweight to move around the garage. For mechanics who frequently reposition themselves while working under different sections of a car, that lightness makes a difference. The only trade-off is that some people prefer the softer feel of padded creepers for longer repair sessions. But if you want something that combines comfort with smart storage, the next option gets even better. At number 2, we have the Torin 36-inch Rolling Foldable Automotive Creeper. Torin has a solid reputation in garage equipment, and this creeper reflects that with a sturdy steel frame paired with thick padded cushioning across the entire body. It measures roughly 36 inches long, which balances support and maneuverability nicely. The standout feature here is the foldable design, which allows the creeper to collapse for compact storage when you're not using it. It also rolls on multiple swivel casters designed to provide smooth movement across garage floors, and the padded headrest section helps keep your neck comfortable when working on components above you. In practical use, this creeper hits a really nice balance between durability, comfort, and convenience. The padding is thick enough for longer repair sessions, the frame feels solid, and the folding design makes it easier to store than many traditional creepers. If you're someone who works on cars regularly but doesn't have a massive professional shop, this design makes a lot of sense. It's also a strong choice for DIY enthusiasts who want something durable without stepping into expensive professional-grade equipment. The only minor downside is that it's slightly heavier than plastic creepers, which you'll notice when carrying it around the garage. And now we're at number 1, and this one solves a problem a lot of mechanics deal with. The top spot goes to the ProLift Foldable Z Creeper, a 2-in-1 rolling creeper that converts into a mechanic seat. This is a steel-framed creeper designed with thick, padded cushioning and a fully adjustable folding structure. The frame locks into 2 different positions: a flat creeper for sliding under vehicles and an upright seat for jobs that require sitting, like brake work, wheel service, or detailing lower panels. It also features swivel casters for mobility and a reinforced frame designed to support heavier loads. The transformation between creeper and seat mode takes just a few seconds, which makes it extremely versatile in a busy garage environment. This is where the design really stands out. Instead of having separate tools for undercar work and seated repairs, you get both in one piece of equipment. That means fewer tools cluttering your garage and more flexibility during projects. In real-world automotive work, that versatility saves time and makes long repair sessions much more comfortable. Whether you're doing suspension work under the car or switching to brake jobs at wheel height, this creeper adapts instantly. The only small drawback is that the folding hinge system adds a bit of weight compared with simpler creepers. So here's the bottom line. If you want a simple, budget-friendly creeper for occasional DIY work, the M-Auto Folding Creeper is a solid starting point. The ProLift C236DG is great for drivers who want a durable steel frame creeper with smooth rolling performance. The ProLift Plastic Creeper is perfect if you want something lightweight, easy to clean, and incredibly stable. The Torin Foldable Creeper hits a sweet spot between comfort and storage convenience. And if you want the most versatile option for a garage setup, the ProLift Z Creeper is easily the most practical choice because it works as both a creeper and a rolling mechanic seat. Every one of these creepers solves a different problem in the garage, which is exactly why they stand out in today's market. If you want the best current prices, check the links in the description below. And if you're building your garage setup or trying to decide which creeper fits your vehicle and workspace, drop your car, truck, or project in the comments. I read those and help people choose the right tools all the time. And of course, subscribe if you want more honest automotive gear reviews that help you spend smarter and work on your car the right way.